If you're watching this video, you may be thinking about or have already purchased the first generation CRV speaker covers. So I'm just going to do a quick install on this and show you how easy it is and give you a few tips as well. So to get this stock one off, Honda already put this nice little slot here. So we're going to stick our screwdriver in there, and this comes out very easily. And now we're going to put in this one, starting with the top. And just one thing to note here is push up on this large tab here. We want to push that up from the bottom just to guide it in the hole. And it's in the hole right now, and all we have to do is press it in. So it is a very strong part and sturdy, but just install it with care and you shouldn't have any problems. And to get it back out is just as easy. Pull the bottom out first, and there we go. So I hope that helped you guys install your speaker cover or help you make a decision on purchasing, and we will see you later.